Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Prime Risk. In this video, we are going to learn an incredibly powerful strategy. The setup I'm going to teach you works across all markets and symbols, as long as you follow the rules. This setup is examined through 3 time frames. The higher time frame, for hour, to find the main trend direction, key levels, and the space for the next move. The 1 hour for market direction, liquidity levels, and order blocks. And finally, the 5-minute time frame, M5, to find confirmations and entry points. In this style, we work with order blocks, using them for entries and tracking them until we hit our targets to achieve the best entry points. This is exactly what is taught in Smart Money courses, emphasizing the importance of discipline and consistency to succeed. Don't forget to like the video for more support, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content. Important note: this setup works for all Forex symbols, stocks, and cryptocurrencies because it's based on price action and performs effectively across all assets. Pay close attention to learning the setup first, watch the videos multiple times, and then backtest it thoroughly until you've fully mastered the strategy. Now let's get started. This setup uses 3 time frames: 4 hour, 1 hour, and 5 minute. Step 1. Higher time frame. We use the 4-hour chart to determine where we are in the market cycle and identify the correct key levels. These key levels are based on price action. For instance, in a strong uptrend where buying pressure is high, you can recognize it from consecutive green candles. This shows the power of buyers, leaving no room for sellers to initiate even a minor correction. So, it's clear that if you want to succeed, you should only enter by trades. When the first countercandle forms, a strong support or resistance zone is created, and when the price returns to this area, we expect a reaction due to the leftover orders. Market direction. To find the market direction, focus on the market structure, where trends are formed. For example, in an uptrend, the last low is set, and a change of character occurs as reversal patterns appear on the chart. If you can't clearly identify the market structure, move on to another symbol or chart because opportunities are always available, and we need to find the cleanest setups. Liquidity. When price starts a correction after a trend, creating liquidity zones at the highs or lows of the correction. Price usually returns to fill or complete these zones to gather enough energy to continue the trend. Always pay attention to liquidity zones, as many traders lose money by ignoring these levels. Final step, lower time frame, 5 minute. In this final step, we move to the lower time frame to find confirmation for entry. When the price approaches an order block, moving lower with consecutive lower highs and lows, we need to wait for confirmation of a reversal in the lower time frame before entering a buy position. To recognize this, look for a change of character as price breaks the previous high. Be sure the price closes above this high to confirm the change of character, which significantly reduces your risk of falling into market traps. Order block formation. After this confirmation, a new order block forms, becoming the next order block for entry. Remember, higher time frame order blocks are more reliable than lower time frame ones. Entry methods. There are 2 ways to enter. 1. You can place your order at the newly formed lower time frame order block and set the stop loss below it. This is a narrow order block, meaning price can easily hit it, offering a better risk-to-reward ratio. 2. Alternatively, you can use the higher time frame order block, which is wider, providing more reliability but requiring a larger stop loss. This setup increases your win rate while reducing the risk-to-reward ratio. This setup requires a lot of practice and backtesting to master. However, once mastered, you can achieve an excellent win rate. We're glad you stayed with us this far. Feel free to leave your comments and suggestions in the comments section below. If there's a strategy you need or a specific lesson you'd like, let us know and we'll cover it for you.